In this section, we will discuss short question answer. First question, what do you mean by spreadsheet software? There you can write, spreadsheet software allows user to organize data in rows and columns and perform calculations on data. Second question, how many rows and columns are there in a worksheet? There you can write, each worksheet of MS Excel 2010 typically has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Next question is, what is the default row height and column width in Excel? There you can write, the default row height is 15.00 and it is measured in points. The default column width of the cell is 8.43 and it is measured in characters. Last question in this section is, what is the use of generating a series? There you can write, generating a series will save your time to complete the text or number series for you. In this section, we will discuss long question answer. First question, what do you mean by Microsoft Excel? Write down its uses. There you can write, Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to organize data, complete calculations, graph data, and develop reports. Uses of MS Excel are, number one, used for manipulating numbers. For elaborating this term, you can write, you can use Excel to quickly tally your marks, calculate average, etc. You can also use Excel to perform any kind of mathematical calculation. Second point, organize data. There you can write, the row and column format of Excel spreadsheet is perfect for entering many types of data you need to track. After entering the data, you can perform various sorting operations to control how data is listed. Third, share data. MS Excel allows you to share your data with other users. You can import data from other sources and export data into other file formats. You have the next question, differentiate between moving and copying. So there you can write, moving data allows you to reorganize data in your worksheet. When you move data, the data disappears from its original location. And copying data allows you to repeat data in your worksheet without having to retype the data. When you copy data, the data appears in both the original and the new locations. Your third question is, differentiate between workbook and worksheet. This answer you are supposed to write like that only, one side workbook and another side worksheet. In a workbook you will write, a spreadsheet file is called workbook, which is like a notebook having many individual worksheets. And for worksheet, it is a part of workbook which allows user to organize data in rows and columns and perform calculations on the data. Second point of workbook is, by default, each workbook contains 3 worksheets and it can be added or deleted according to the requirement of users. And for worksheet, second point is, by default, each MS Excel worksheet contains 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Last question of this section is, what do you mean by selecting cells? There you can write, selecting cells helps you to perform editing, calculating, formatting tasks in MS Excel 2010. The easiest way to select a cell is to make the mouse to move the block plus sign to the cell and then click on it. An alternative method of selecting a cell in a worksheet is using the arrow keys on the keyboard. An arrow key selects the cell adjacent to the active cell in the directions of the arrow on the key. We have the next question, application based question. Your teacher is creating a table of students doing different activities in the school in Excel. While making the list, he or she has forgotten to add an important row in the table. Now, he or she wants you to insert a row without disturbing the whole table. How will you do it? Then you will click on first Home tab, then Insert option, and after Insert option you need to click on Insert Sheet Rows. Right? Eighth question, look at the following screen and answer the following questions. First question we have, what is the name of the workbook? So the name of the workbook is given here. The name of the workbook is Book 1. Next, what is the name of the active worksheet? Name of the active worksheet is Sheet 1. So we will write here Sheet 1. Next is name the address of the active cell. So this is our active cell and the name of the active cell is given here, that is A1. How many worksheets are there in this workbook? So let's count it 1, 2 and 3. So we have 3 worksheets. Thank you.